nth node from end of list. Giving the head of a linked list, remove nth node from the end of the list and return its head. For example, we have this linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to remove second node from the end of the list, which is 4. Therefore, we remove 4. Therefore, the output should be 1, 2, 3, 5. And then if the head is 1, then we remove the head, then we return empty linked list. If the list is 1, 2, and we want to remove the n is 1, then we remove the last node, so we return 1. For this question, I'm going to use an iterative approach, and the pointer, I'm going to have a slow and a fast pointer, and then I'm going to move the fast pointer first, n node ahead, and then I'm going to move both slow and the fast pointer one node at a time. When the fast pointer reach the last node, I know that my slow pointer is at the position where the next node is the node we want to remove. So in that case, I will just do the pointer multiplication to remove the node. Here is the implementation. First, I'm gonna have a list node called slow. I will initially point to the head. Similarly, I will have a list node called fast, initially also point to the head. And then I will first use a for loop to move the fast pointer first and node ahead, and then I will say fast equal fast.next. After the for loop, I will use a while loop, so while fast.next not equal to now. As long as this is true, we know that we didn't reach the last node. So inside the while loop, we will move the slow pointer and the fast pointer one node at a time. And then at the end, when we reach the last node, we know the slow pointer, the dot next is the node we want to remove. So we can say slow dot next equal to slow dot next. So we basically skip the node we want to remove. That's how we can remove a node from linked list. At the end, we can return the head. And then lastly, we need to do some edge case check. So if the n is equal to the length of the node from the linked list, that means we want to remove the head of the linked list. So if, let's say in this example, if n is 5, we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want to remove 1. But when we do the for loop, we will first go 5 nodes ahead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end of the for loop, we will add the now. The fast will add the now. So we don't want to do the fast.next because it will throw a non-pointer exception. So here we will say if fast equal to now, that means we know we want to remove the head. So we can just say return head.next to remove the head. And then for the time complexity will be O of n because we use a while loop. And then for the space complexity will be O of 1 constant space because we create a few node which use constant space. Next, let's test this code out. Looks like we passed the test.